Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. When you wake up, take a second to think about a privilege. Think about what a privilege it is to be simply alive and healthy. The moment we start acting like life is a blessing, I assure you that it will start to feel like one. It's a beautiful thing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 40, NASDAQ up 8, S&P's up 6.5, gold contract up $10.10, trading at $1,290 an ounce. Silver up 27 cents at $19.92 an ounce. Platinum up 14 at $1,436 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.03 a pound. Light sweet crude off 41 cents, $99.34 a barrel. Bonds, we had the 10-year down 14 ticks at 122.29. 30-year off 22 ticks, trading out at 131.30. King dollar up 141 ticks, trading at 80.39. The euro down 29, trading at 137.65. And the yen up 19 at a price point of 103.86. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You are at 1890.90. You hit 1893. Bottom line, you're still over the 1883 benchmark from the 7th. Higher highs, you can get higher. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What we have with the Dow is this. Dow Industrials got to a price point of 16,588.19, and this is about as bizarre as you can get because the high of December 31st, folks, is 15,588.25. How do you like that, right? Bottom line, you get that close, that baby's going to get whacked. NASDAQ, different ball game in the NASDAQ and the small caps. So NASDAQ, you're up $8. The top of ICE, well, ICE in general, folks, is 4289.48. That is where we came down on the 24th of March. We had monster volume on the way down. What we did here is that we went up with 2.1 billion versus that 2.4 on the way down. Russell 2000. What do you have with the Russell 2000? Same type of setup in the Russell 2000. We are at 1192.82. The number is 1196.70. If we take a look at the SPY, we do the correlation inside the ETF structures. What you'll see, the SPY did 75 million out here today. That's going over those highs of 163 million. There's no one in the store. They are buying the product. Bottom line, we'll see how much higher they can run the S&P. The Qs did 30 million shares today. We're going into 62 million. There's going to the Qs and the small caps just don't have the juice. Small caps out here, what we did out here today, we did 33 million. That is running into 66 million. You can see you're talking 50% in the Qs, and you're lighter. You're talking 50% in the small caps. Gold contract. We get over to gold. What we had with gold out here today, gold had a price spread. The low was 12.78. The high was 12.94. Bottom line is that you did 116,000 contracts, and guess what? That's setting an ABC down up. We are coming into 171,000 on the way down. It's the last thing you want to see. So let me check this out here for a second. You got 1392. 1277. Man, it's 120.A to B. So 120.A to B. That's not bad. That's not bad. What we want now, you want a little more of a bounce because the way this is setting up to go after the swing lows now that were generated in December. That's the way that's setting up. So we'll see how that shakes out, but not a great scene in the gold market right now. Oil. We take a look at the oil market. What we have with oil is this. Oil had broken $100 yesterday. We did 219,000 contracts out here today. The lowest swing point is $92. You can expect we're going to make a run down to 92. You break 92, and we're going to be all over. Oh, hold on 1 second. 97 rather. Sorry. The first swing point, $97. If it comes down like it's coming down right now, that'll blow right through 97, get into the 92 area. Bonds. We look at the 10-year bond first. We have the 10-year bond. She did 1.2 million contracts. She broke this consolidation that she has been in. She broke it, however, with dramatically lighter volume. We did 1.2 versus 1.7, so a 500,000 contract shorter. That is saying, number one, you'll bounce. Number two, we do have a lower price first. You're at 122.29. This baby can get down to 122.08, which is another 20 ticks. Remember, there's 32 ticks and 1 point in the bond market. We look at the 30-year bond. We have at the 30-year, this is interesting. See, the 30-year, the first time it even come down, never broke the swing point. And sure enough, what you have here, it still hasn't broken the swing point. The 30-year bond, we came down with 285,000 contracts today. That's going into 377,000 contracts and 490,000 contracts. Pretty amazing. These bonds want higher price, lower yield. Right now, the 10-year is yielding 2.8, though. We haven't seen 2.8 for quite a while. King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. What we have with King Dollar is this. She was up 136 ticks today, 15,000 contracts. Now, she's coming to the top of her range. King Dollar, to me, wants to run up to this 81.50 level. We had that wide price spread accelerated volume on March 19th. That's where the King Dollar went from 79.49 up to the 80.25 level. Now what you're doing, you're pushing the top of the swing point, and you have expanded volume. It looks to me like King Dollar is going to take off topside in the next 2 days. What was interesting today, however, though, is what you had gold go up and King Dollar go up. The difference is that King Dollar was at the top of a range where gold was going up in dramatically lighter volume. Let's go to Rob in L.A. Hey, Rob, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
Yeah, pretty good.
Cool, man. So what are we going to look at today?
ALBKY.
ALBKY. So this is Alpha Bank AE. They attract deposits and retail and commercial banking service. The bank offers lease financing. Let me see this thing. Oh, so this is a Greece bank. It's trading at 33. Is that 33 cents or 0.3 of 1 cent?
32. I think it closed at 32.
32 cents. This is pretty wild. And check this out. This trades at 32 cents, but they do, the numbers are 2.3 billion shares. Oh, look at it. And it expanded today from 28 cents to 32. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Put this back. So what is this? This is a Greek bank that was going to go out of business, and now there's life after death, right? Is that what's going on here?
Yeah. Well, actually, I bought it at 18 cents. So
okay.
I was just wondering what you think it's time to sell, like what the target is.
Okay, so let's take a look here. This is really strange. So the biggest price let me see, the biggest price this bank ever had was $2.70. That's weird. Yeah, $2.40. I don't get it. Let me see something. Okay, so that's the way it works, I guess. They have 16,000 employees, 17,000 employees. Man, oh man, this is really weird. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so huge expansion today. If I take the top of this, which is 27 cents, take the bottom, that's 5, that's 32. You know, let me pull this back a little bit more. It's done the move. Okay, 1 second. If we go back to October 12th, it spiked to 28. 37's the high of the downdraft of the 16th. You know what you can do here? Okay, so, yeah, thank you, Mark, one of our tigers. What to do is this. Sell enough shares, right? You got it at 18 cents, right?
Yeah, I bought a lot at 18, so.
So what to do is this. Sell 40%, sell 60% of your shares. That means all the rest of your shares are free. Let it ride.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Can't be too greedy, right, Tom?
Well, the bottom line is then you got to score. You made your money back. You have 40% of shares, which is going to be a lot of shares, and you ride it, baby.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Again, Tom.
Have a great one. Have a safe one. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Now up 40, Nasdaq up 8.5, S&P's up 7.